Welcome to the demonstration on how to install the DIY bottle of Fugit tire sealant into your chosen tire that you require the product in. The bottle comes packed in 250s, 500s and in 1 litres. It comes packed with a filler pipe, a valve core that's in the inside of the spout, and with instructions all on the bottle. How it works, application field, and with instructions on how to install the product. You're welcome to have a look at the rest of our website. Our phone numbers are displayed and email addresses for any queries you might have. The filler pipe that I speak about is used in tires that are in smaller circumference, where you are limited to turn the bottle upside down to squeeze the product in. So the filler pipe will go over the valve, and the spout will be going into the filler pipe, whereby you with ease can apply without and being a distance away of the smaller valve. But in this instance you won't require the filler pipe, so I'll put it down. When you remove the valve core, turn the bottle upside down. Don't worry, you won't lose any product. We have applied a pressure seal to ensure no wastage takes place. In the inside of your spout, you'll find a valve tool, turn upside down and falls out. That is what the valve core remover looks like. I'm now going to proceed to remove the air that is in the tire. Ensure that the valve core is between 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock. The reason for that is that when you install the liquid, it falls directly onto the tire, and on your next drive the product will then smear and attach itself to the tread part of the tire and form a protective layer for repairing of punctures. And also one of the major features would be the sealing of the porous holes in the tire, which will prevent natural air loss which takes place, therefore maintaining your tire for so much longer. But more in detail, go to our website and you can visit all the benefits of our wonderful product. I'm now taking the tire to the 7 o'clock position. Unscrew your valve cap, put it down safely to ensure you're not going to lose it. What I find quite comfortable to do is to keep your 2 fingers into a claw position when you unturn your valve core. It's slotted, and that will ensure that you are connecting it correctly. And as you hear, I'm turning it out, you'll start getting air loss. Don't worry, just ensure that you are close to a air supply source, either a hand pump, there you go, either a hand pump or at your local garage, to ensure that you can inflate the tire afterwards. This product can be used, also put your valve in a safe place, so when you're done with the installation you can reinsert it and inflate the tire. Proceed by putting your spout back onto the bottle, first removing the pressure seal. There you go, fresh as it's made. There we go, turn back on, the cat spout back on again, remove the outer closure, and you got a perfect hole whereby the fluid will be injected. Gently squeeze the container in an upward position so the liquid can be installed. Don't squeeze too hard, you don't have to. Gently squeezing the bottle and releasing, squeezing the bottle, you'll be injecting the product. Proceed till your bottle is empty with the desired amount of liquid that is required. There we go. It's going. Still going. What I normally do is I'll take it off, give it a little tap, closing the bottom there, tack, 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 and if you have a look at the valve there, I've inserted some already, here we go, continue to apply. I'm sure, there we go, can you hear it? And it's gone in. Excellent. Good advice, if you've got something to clean the valve core housing with, you're welcome to do so, to ensure that you have no blockage of your valve core to inflate and deflate the tires at a later stage. Fortunately for us, the product is made of natural substances, water soluble, and cleans off very easily. Now what we will do is return the valve core, place into position, ensure that you put it in the right position with your release part to the top, put it in the housing, and continue to return by turning it clockwise to ensure that it's tight. I'm sure if you need some assistance, just ask one of your local tire dealers to apply it for you as well.